Hi guys, this is Shan DS here. Wanted to make a short video on how are we going to change the spark plug of KTM Duke 390, the new model. So what we have here is the IRIDIUM spark plug. I got this from Motospunk, a dealer who is based from Pune. I also checked if this spark plug is genuine or not, so I sent an email to NJ Spark Plugs and took photos of the plug and sent it to them asking are these genuine or not, and got a confirmation from them yesterday saying this is legit. So to change the spark plug, the tools we need is this particular tool of 14 mm unit and something that is long, maybe a screwdriver or something like this. I'll tell you forward in the video what we need to do with it. So for the Duke 390, spark plug is located on top of the engine casing. If you can see over here, something like a black knob or something is there. That's the one we need to lift it up, and then we'll have a cavity in which we need to go into and get the spark plug out. So let's get this done. Also, I forgot to mention the most important tool we need to use to get the spark plug installed, removed, is this one, which we get in the KTM toolkit. So this is the one that goes into the cavity, and that rubber holds the spark plug, and once you remove this, it comes with the spark plug out. Right, let's go and do this. So first what we got to do is use this tool, keep it here like this, keep a screwdriver on top and under the black knob over there, and pull it up. So I'll show it to you in a bit. So if you can see, the tool we need to remove the spark plug is under the screwdriver, and now we need to push the screwdriver. Oh man, sorry about that, my dogs and the background sound. Okay, it's a very noisy city I'm living in. So yeah, I got this thing up. I pushed the screwdriver on the plug and pulled it up. See, this is how it looks. Now we need to, now this freaking bike has too many wires. Need to find a space where we can pull it completely, up and get the cavity completely visible to remove the spark plug. So just give me a minute. Okay, this is how the plug looks. There's a rubber bushing to cover the base of this cavity to prevent the water from going in. So this is how it looks. It's a long piece of shit. It takes a long time to remove it because there's no space at all on top because of the number of wires. It's like you're getting into the intestine, to get the space and get that stuff out. Okay, want to know how it looks like inside the engine casing? Just give me a bit. So there it is. If you can see inside the cavity, the spark plug is over there. We need to get that out somehow using the tools we have. Okay, hold on. Okay, first thing what we need to do is this tool that we use to remove the spark plug. You can see a rubber bushing in there. Yeah, we need to remove that first. So once you remove that, there will be enough space for the spark plug to go till here, and it will get locked, and then you can So this particular tool, this fat portion of this must go in first, okay, and then we need to use a spanner or a wrench, maybe like this, to unscrew it out. Yeah, one more thing is, remember about the rubber bushing. You need to remove that first, okay? This is how it looks. Okay, let's get this in. Okay, I got that particular thing in. Now I'm gonna use this, put it on top. Yeah, that thing inside as well. Now finally use this to unscrew that. Done. Okay, now I loosened it out. The spark plug is loose and ready to be removed. And let's see how it is. Yeah, it's almost come out now. It's almost out. So we need to use this tool. Put this rubber back in, and once the spark plug, the head of the spark plug gets into this, it holds it firm, and then you can pull it out. Okay, I put the rubber in. Make sure it is stuck there. You don't want that rubber to get in the cavity, right? And you need to open the entire engine casing to get that out. Okay, so let's remove the spark plug out. Okay, almost done. My tool is come out, and you can see this. That's the spark plug over there. Now I need to remove it from this position itself and separate the spark plug from the tool. Get the tool out first and then remove the spark plug out. That's how I do it. Alright. Oh yeah, remember guys, this end portion of the spark plug should go down. Alright, this should be on top, so just so that you don't put it this way. So let's have a look into the cavity without the spark plug in. You can see closely. Yeah, below you can see the cylinder over there. You can't see it from this camera, but ahead of that cavity you can see a lot of carbon deposits and the surface of the cylinder available over there. Okay, so the NGK spark plug is in. All you have to do is just slide it in through. Now you need to tighten it up and let it go all the way inside. And do the same procedure, we remove the old one out. Oh yeah, one more important thing. Please remember to remove the rubber bushing. Alright, so we can tighten the spark plug. So what I had done at the start was remove the bushing to remove the old spark plug, put this tool in, loosened it, put the rubber back in again, and then put this tool in again to remove the spark plug out. So now to tighten it, again I have to remove this rubber bushing out, and so that the spark plug will go all the way through, and so we can tighten it up. Okay, the spark plug is tightened now, and we need to remove that, so I'm using the help of this little 14mm tool, so I can have enough grip to, yeah, now Okay, the tool is out and the spark plug is in. This is how it looks after tightening the spark plug. Okay. Now all we have to do is put that black tube back in the cavity. Okay, and press it until it gives us slight click sound. Okay, the black thing is done, and make sure this rubber bushing is fit perfectly. That's all guys, it is done now. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, will really motivate me to do more videos to give you a lot of information about this. Thank you.